Hello students, welcome to Study Zone. Let's learn together. So today in this video I will be discussing with you about the English activity of topic The Evolution of Education of Chapter 1 The Fun They Had. So firstly it was Gurukulas. Then the education was under the laps of the nature. After it was to open air classrooms. Then, small schools were developed with blackboards. After that, the classrooms were well developed. Then, the classrooms were with smart boards. Then, the schools would be developed into luxurious classrooms. After that, the robotic teachers would be the one to teach students. So, the classrooms in 2050 will be well developed with all facilities and electronic learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share on my video. Bye.